cares for little ones they love and care. Tiny hands that work all day, packing presents in the sleigh. When it's time to fly away, Santa's helpers shout, hooray! So when you see a gift that's neat, think of elves who help complete Santa's job, so kind and true, bringing joy to me and you.